Welcome to another edition of How Do You Use That from KhalaNaturals.com. Today I'm talking about my all-natural shampoo bars. Just look for Head to Toe or Rejuvenate on the website. My bars contain no silicones, parabens, waxes, or other harsh chemicals. Today I will be showering with the rosemary-infused Rejuvenate shampoo and body wash bar. I know, I look surprised, but let's be real. I am more surprised I am showering in front of lights and a camera right now. So here's what you do. Wet your hair. Wet the bar. Rub the bar into your hair. Lather up and massage away. It might take a few days for your hair to transition to this product. That's because conventional shampoos strip your hair of its natural oils, so your scalp is constantly overproducing to make up the difference. That's why you think you need to shower every day. If this is your first bar shampoo, resist the urge to wash your hair the next day. It may take a week or up to 2 to get your hair and scalp back to its natural state. And that's enough of you looking at me in the shower. After rinsing, towel dry and style as usual, or just let it air dry. Every once in a while, I use a spray leave-in conditioner like Sweet Strands or just Beachy. This helps close the hair cuticle to minimize split ends and keep my hair frizz-free. A few hours later, this was the result. Soft, flowy, Mariah-type hair. Saves water, it's eco-friendly, and it's way better for my hair. KhalaNaturals.com for more information on this and all of my products. Proudly Canadian.